Well, iBILLED.me allows the therapist and the clients not only to have face-to-face interaction through video, but also if there's language barriers, iBILLED.me has a SMS multi-language pack that where you can communicate in different languages.
Yes.
And also iBILLED.me, this is really cool because as far as I know, there's no other application as far as telehealth and telemedicine that allows you, once you complete your session, to document your session as far as progress notes.
Right then and there.
Right then and there. It offers multiple progress notes. Not only that, you have a call log to tell you when the call was made, how long the call it was, what day, what time.
So what you're saying is, with iBILLED.me, I don't have to use one platform for just my notes, and then I don't have to use another platform for billing.
iBILLED.me Telehealth has features such as progress notes and call logs. iBILLED.me is a secure system that stores all its information using cloud-based technology.
It's unique. It allows the biller, the therapist, the doctor to bill from one unit, one point, as opposed to having different agencies to, one agency I may be doing my notes with. Another agency, maybe they keep track of the time that the therapist kept, talking to the clients. And so it's unique because it's all encompassed under one umbrella.
iBILLED.me has features such as Telehealth, Wiley's Practice Planner, Availity EDI Clearinghouse. It has a client portal. It has unlimited progress notes. And iBILLED.me Telehealth also features multilingual SMS and progress notes and call logs. iBILLED.me was built from the inside out, meaning, as my partner Joyce told you before, we used to build manually. But we realized over the years that there is a better way to do this. We use other products by other developers, and it was not easy as far as we were concerned, as far as the user. So when we developed and when we did iBILLED.me, we wanted to make it how we bill. And that's where we think we have the advantage at, because iBILLED.me is built for the user and not for the developer. Thank you.